Butterfinger Martini. Okay, watch this. It's kind of my fun thing. Okay, chocolate syrup on our plate, okay? And then we take a Butterfinger and we break it up, okay? Muddle it, break it up however, because muddling might not just work, but you try it however. Okay, so rim our glass with that chocolate syrup and then we stick it in that Butterfinger. Beautiful, so now you have a Butterfinger rim. So now let's get down to the mix. Butterscotch Schnapps. Notice we keep them with the buttery thing here. White chocolate liqueur. Come behind that with some Irish cream. Beautiful, this is a delicious drink. A little bit of milk, okay? You don't have to use the milk if you don't want, but milk is nice in terms of smoothing everything out. Shake, 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 pour that mix in, and beautiful, homeboy. There you have it, this Butterfinger Martini. Look at that, look at that. I love it, okay? And if you really want, you could grate some Butterfinger on top, okay? We didn't do that part, but you can, okay? It goes in for a little sip. It's a delicious, fun drink because you eat the rim as you drink, and it's just awesome. Stay tipsy, friends. Stay tipsy. Okay, I don't know why.